Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Studocu AI notes and summaries application. So first of all, you need to open your app. So then you have to tap here get started more times. Then you have to create your account. So you can create your account 2 ways. You can continue with 3 ways actually, like Facebook, Google and Apple. So this time I'm just going to create an account with Google because it's really simple. You can try another. Then you have to select your email, then tap the continue button. Then what do you study? So you have to give some information. So I'm just write something. So then save it, and that's it. Then you can see here you need to allow your things. So you can see this is the interface. So class recording, ask AI, and you can see here start your first recording. So you can start record here, and popular courses, you can see here different courses. If you see here all courses, then you can get it here. And if you tap here is class recording, then tap here select your recording, then you have to allow your microphone. So this time I'm not going, you can try it. This is quiz transcript, so it will come from your class. So this is ask AI. You have to allow your video, home, practice. So it's all the thing is here. If I tap here, then you can capture your picture and solve it.